Hello everyone, welcome back to INFOMINUTES. In this video, we are going to see how to delete Instagram account permanently. Deleting your account will permanently erase all photos, videos, followers, likes, comments, and it can't be undone. Instagram doesn't let you delete your account within the app itself. You'll need to log on to Instagram via a web browser. Open Instagram app and log in. Click on the profile button in the bottom right corner. Now press 3 bars on the top right corner and select Settings. Click Help Center and search for Delete Instagram Account Permanently. Now choose Delete your Instagram account. Scroll down and select the option Open Instagram.com from mobile browser. Then select Delete your account. Choose any reason for deleting the account and re-enter your password. Now pressing the delete button is the final step. People won't be able to access your content once you've hit the delete button, but your account isn't completely gone just yet. All data will stay in Instagram's servers for 30 days, and you can possibly still retrieve it. The social network claims the deletion process can take as much as 90 days. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a new trick. Thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next video.